Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Snowstorm. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, skiing and a non-smoking rooms. Snowstorm offers accommodations in Breckenridge. BreckConnect Gondola is 1.5 miles from the property. There is also a kitchen, equipped with a dishwasher. An oven, a microwave and toaster are also provided, as well as a coffee machine. There is a private bathroom with a hairdryer in every unit. 5 Chair is 1.9 miles from Snowstorm. Eagle County Regional Airport is 47 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.